Je m'appelle Aboubakar Omarou, je viens du Cameroun. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Ibrahim Somme, je suis congolais.
What do you think about new player?
Yes, every new player is good. Abu is young, but he's good player. Every new player is very good. He's training good, well. Hey, brate, what do you think about Red Star Crvena Zvezda?
Yeah, I think Resta is big club, and they welcome me very well, and everybody they are good, and they be great to me, and I really like it, and everybody work very well in training, and everybody give 100%, and everybody was good, and we are here in Cyprus. Atmosphere is very well, and we training. Also, coach support us, and every staff technique give us, push us. Even like yesterday we play, like after yesterday, yesterday the team play game and everybody work well. So I like it, and I think this team gonna be very well to me and gonna go in good state like this because everybody working well, and I think everybody's good. Also some like captain, everybody. So it's good, it's great. So I like it. Brate, kako ti, brate?
Dobro, brate, super. Ti?
Ja, super, brate.
Kako ide servis?
Ja, serbiski malo.
Malo, koliko je malo? Koliko? Malo.
Katastrofa, brate.
Katastrofa?
Kataklizma, brate.
Jo, brate.
Malo,
Nema
brate.
veze, brate. Samo polako, brate.
Polako, brate. Ja serbiski jedan mjesec, brate. Serbiski malo, brate.
Samo jedan mjesec, a?
Polako, brate.
Samo polako, brate.
Ima vreme, brate.
Moj srn, brate, kad je trening, brate?
Trening od 10, brate.
Od 10. Ima u teretana, brate?
Pa nema šans, brate. Idemo, ima polako malo skipo, cak.
Da.
E pola poslak, ručak, i popodne utakmi se.
Utekni se?
Dobro utakmi se, brate.
Ok, brate.
I,
Nema veze, brate. Vidimo se, brate, utekni se, brate.
ima, brate,
Okay.
ima skipo.
Ima...
Cak.
Dobro, brate.
Dobro,
Koordinacija, brate. Koordinacija.
Brate. Nema šansi.
Dobro, brate.
Teretana, nema šansi.
Nema šanse, a?
Ima utakmi se, brate.
Nema veze, brate. Nema veze, brate.
Nema problema. Ti mi, brate.